Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Success Training, and this is the boosting module. I have an absolutely awesome treat for you guys, especially if you're into Facebook. If you have any kind of Facebook fan pages, I'm going to show you something that's going to completely throw everything into overdrive for you and really increase your ROIs, how many leads you're getting, how much customer interaction you're getting. So I've just got a really awesome treat for you guys here today. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So what are we going to cover in this training section? Well, first off, I want to talk about what boosting is and why it's important. You're probably wondering what the heck is boosting. Why did you decide to call it boosting module? You'll see that in a minute based on what we're going to talk about. But I'm also going to talk about how to drastically boost your ROIs using Social Media Massacre and how to take advantage of your Facebook pages and really be able to maximize them both profitability wise and customer interaction wise. So, if you guys have any kind of questions about how to monetize your Facebook pages in the first place, I have included a bonus video series that will walk you through completely how to monetize your Facebook pages if you haven't done that already. What we're going to cover in this module is how to take that to the next level. So if you're kind of confused on what I'm talking about when I'm saying monetizing your Facebook pages, you might want to stop the module here, go reference that, I believe it's called fan page dollars, and then come back to this module. So what is boosting and why is it important? Well, there are many different ways to take Social Media Massacre to the next level. There's tons and tons of little tips and tricks, and I'm sure 5 years from now there will be way more. So whether it's Twitter, Facebook, or another social network, there are tons of ways to boost this method and amplify your results. The main one that we're going to be talking about is how to completely trick Facebook's fan page, status post, whatever you want to call it, algorithm, so that you guys can really, every time you post a status, you can really get your message out there. You can really interact with your customers, your fans, your subscribers, whatever, so that you guys can really take advantage of um, Facebook's social features that really should have been set up that way in the first place, but due to spam, Facebook has had to really kind of go Google, if you want to call it that, on internet marketers specifically because of how much spam there is. And one thing that I want to clear up really quick is I want to talk about Facebook's contextual keyword scanner. Facebook has a very sneaky but powerful contextual keyword scanner. You were probably wondering what this is, but a contextual keyword scanner it's Facebook's own way of scanning posts and statuses. They do it immediately as soon as you post it. And they're going to pick out certain keywords from that post or status to detect how spammy the message seems. So if you have something that posts and says buy right now, or this is my affiliate link, or free, make money online, get rich quick, you're really going to reduce your chances of being able to get yourself in a good spot on Facebook's news feed. And this is something that not a lot of people know about, but Facebook has this built-in contextual spam filter so that they can really reduce their spam. But I agree, it gets very obnoxious for when you're unintentionally. Sometimes I release new products and I'll put it on a Facebook group, and not a lot of people will see it on their news feed because I'll say you can get it now, or buy now, or whatever. And Facebook does not like keywords like that. So it may be worth your while to send your visitors, your fan page, your page fans, I'm sorry, to a blog post, and you can write whatever you want there. That way you can still take advantage of effectively ranking your post or your status in Facebook without having to worry about being slapped by their spam filter. So how does this apply to Facebook, and what have I been talking about this entire time? While Facebook also uses trends, there is an even more powerful way to use this method. And you guys may have guessed it so far, but every time you post a status or page update, Facebook will only show the new update to only 5 to 10% of your page's fans. This is disastrous for marketers and business owners. It's really terrible. It's completely necessary for Facebook with how much spam they're getting, but it's definitely annoying, and I completely understand it. Because when you build up a fan page, especially when you're talking thousands, you put all that hard work in, and you only end up reaching a couple hundred at max each time you post a status. But Social Media Massacre will help you fix that, because the more comments and likes that a status gets, the more shares, the larger the percentage of fans will see your update. So this way, you guys are able to fully monetize and utilize these pages. So basically, what you're going to want to do is in Add Me Fast right here, there is the Facebook post like and Facebook post share option. You guys are going to want to really send those into every single post and status that you make. You really want to get them out there. And if you want, you can also do the Facebook followers or Facebook likes, whatever you want to do to further build up your pages. But if you guys already do have fan pages, simply using the post like and post share will definitely get your status into more people's eyes. I guarantee that. And like every other method or module that's come with Social Media Massacre, sorry guys, I can't talk tonight. Like every other module, you can profit from this method by selling it to other businesses. And I guarantee you that most businesses have a Facebook page that has been sitting around for months or years, or I mean, just a really long time. I see it all the time in my town. For example, there's a pizza place near me that has it's like a 5-10,000 likes on Facebook, yet they haven't posted anything in over 2 years because they're not reaching enough people. So one thing that I suggested to them is that they use this method along with other Facebook tactics to really build up their page and get their interaction up. Because Facebook, guys, is one of the most powerful marketing tools in recorded history. And you can also use this with a promoted post and Facebook's custom audience feature. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about by custom audience, I completely describe that in my Fast Traffic Secrets ebook. I have an entire step-by-step on how to do that. But that can be very, very powerful. So once again, guys, I provided some extra bonus material here on how to monetize your Facebook pages. So if you guys have any questions on what to do before applying this, as I said earlier in the presentation, you should definitely go reference that in order to really be able to put this to good use. But thanks a lot, guys. You guys have been awesome. You're so exciting to see that people are taking advantage of Social Media Massacre. But once again, guys, it's just one of those. It's a tiny, tiny little fraction of the true power of Social Media Massacre. But until next time, guys, take care.